Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners, back in the garden. Introducing my Grandpup right here. I'm babysitting for a week. She's just running around chasing lizards all through the yard. I'll let her go ahead and run herself out. So anyway, this here is my spinach, and it's wilting because it's too hot. So here in Central Florida, we get a little cool weather and a lot of hot weather. And that type of spinach winds up wilting. Let's go ahead and take a look over here. This is some of the new addition that I added to the garden. Some Muscadine grapes, longevity spinach, the red banana tree, and some katuk. Just a couple of more things I added to the garden. And to grow katuk, you need 2 of the trees. So there are 2 in there. I'll separate them later. So longevity spinach, and I'll show you the other type of spinach that grows pretty decently in Central Florida without wilting. Over here we see some of my broccoli and cauliflower over here, still covered up. And there we go with the mustard greens. They're finally starting to sprout. They're very finicky. They don't like heat either. So usually only the leafy greens grow pretty good here when it's kind of heated. Here we go with our cabbage right here. Look at that cabbage, almost ready to harvest. And here we go with the Malabar spinach. And this is the type of spinach that's like cold hardy and it could grow in the heat. But of course I need to cut a lot of those flowers off before they bloom. And here is my collard greens. So just a couple of things I was just showing you. And we got a whole hot mess running back over here again. So my green leafy greens are doing pretty good. Broccoli, cauliflowers, collard greens, lettuce, and the other things are being a little picky, but we're going to get a couple of cool days, so everything will take a rebound. So yep, just coming to show you this little bit of extra gardening I'm doing to save money and just grow. Hope you enjoy it. Have a nice day. Goodbye.